Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Labs 92. Today we go to the garden and visit a fish pool. This is a koi fish pool. Koi is a Japanese fish. They have many beautiful colors. We usually clean the pool every day and use oxy pumper to have them breathe better. And now we are going to check if the water is totally clean. First of all, we take sample. We take a little water and keep it in a small bottle. Then we take a drop of water and put it on the microscope slide. Then we put the microscope slide under the lens. And now let's see what we've got. Firstly, you do not see lots of microorganisms because we clean the pool every day. But when we see closely this piece of waste, there are many microorganisms moving, shaking.